to the first ever sanctioned combat sport in Indiana's history.
Excited to be here. It's a very nice venue.
Yes, it is. I'm Trey Spencer. I'm joined by Zach, the Ripper, Willoughby. And we'll be breaking down these fights for you guys tonight.
He looks a little gassed, those nerves, though. He leads in with his head a lot.
Oh, yeah. 30 seconds already? Oh, man.
Ooh.
Fight fans, we go to our judges for the official scorecards. Judge 1 scored the fight, 29-28 with Thurmond. Judge 2 scored the fight, 29-28 Greenaway. And Judge 3 scored the bout, 29-28 for your winner by split decision. It is Isaac DeVonte!
Well, I think we'll definitely see him back on the show.
For your winner by TKO, sweet Raikage!
He's looking where he throws, though. He looked straight down when he threw that. He's got to get rid of those reads. Ooh. Oh, he is out cold.
Stop to the fight. In the first round, 19 seconds.
Oh,
For your winner, fighting out of the right corner.
he did not have to say 19 seconds. So, it's so prominently. Yeah.
5 rounds like that. There wasn't no running.
No. 5 rounds, non-stop action.
ONI Fight Series Cruiserweight Champion. It is fighting out of the black corner.
Got a double though.
Yeah.
Yep. Ooh, caught him right there on the jaw twice. So you better keep that pressure if you want him, boy. Head kick. Oh! Called that.
I think the matchmakers would have made it completely lopsided though, so we'll see how it goes. They slowed it down and controlling his breathing. But then
For your winner by unanimous decision, it is the Messenger.
Crowd's going wild out here too. Look at it.
yeah.
Watch the technique on this guy. This is the one to watch.
And I'm told this is the I talked to him before the fight and he said this is just another dance.
This is history right here.
Yep.
We only had 8 fights, but it was history and it was a show. And if you were here, it was even better. We were having a good time the whole way. Knockouts, good fights, war.
Right now, ONI Fights has the first decision victory, the first knockout victory, the first TKO victory, and the first championship bout.
David Wright, knockout of the night. He did a great job. He fought a hard fight, and he just caught the clean one, put the guy clean out. All righty. That's the closure of ONI Fights. I'm signing off. Damon Bell. You guys take it easy. Come up and party with us.